In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a Namecheap domain to Framer, effectively connecting your web project with your custom domain. To get started, open up the settings of your specific project in Framer. Once you are in the settings, you will need to navigate to a tab labeled Domains. This is where you can manage all the domain connections for your project. Now, the next step is to connect the domain you own. Look for an option that allows you to link a domain that you personally own and click on it. When prompted, you will need to enter the Namecheap domain name that you wish to connect to your Framer project. Once you input this information, Framer will generate a whole set of specific DNS records that you need to add to Namecheap. Mostly, you will see that you need to add several A records and a single CNAME record. Having made note of these records, we now move over to the Namecheap platform. Log in to your Namecheap account. After you're successfully logged in, navigate towards your domain list. This is essentially a comprehensive list of all of the domains that you have bought or manage using your Namecheap account. Identify the specific domain that you want to connect with your Framer project and select Manage for that domain. Once in the Management section, you will need to access the DNS settings. Inside the DNS settings, look for a section that is either labeled Advanced DNS or directly called DNS Records. Here, you will need to add the A records provided by Framer. There should be an option somewhere labeled Add New Record. Click on it to open up the interface for adding new DNS records. For the first A record, you're mandatory to set the host to a symbol @ and enter the value, which is basically the IP address provided to you by Framer. Repeat this process for the second A record, but this time use the second IP address that Framer gave to you. Next up, we will add the CNAME record. Again, click on the Add New Record option, set the host to www and set the value to the CNAME target as given by Framer. Usually, it would appear something like sites.framer.app. Once all the A records and the CNAME record has been accurately added, save the changes. Now you have successfully connected your Namecheap domain to your Framer project. Through this process, you've essentially opened up another access point for people to reach your project through your very own custom domain.